Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at how to perform destructuring on arrays. So as you can see on the screen that we do have an array of numbers, and I will show you how to perform the destructuring on it. So to destructure it we do something like this. Like for if I want to destructure the very first element of an array, then I can name it with whatever I want. I'm naming it as first, and if I want to destructure the second as well, if I want to destructure the third as well, so what it will do basically, it will take the value from this element, from this index, and it will assign right over here. So basically what it is doing, it is destructuring the first index, because you are inside the left array we do have a 0 index of first, and inside the right array we do have a 0 index and the value is 1, so it will assign this one value inside this first, and so on for the second. It will do the one index with this one index as well. It will do the two index, second index with this second index as well, so it will assign the values accordingly. So what it will do, I am only destructuring the first three value from an array. If I come over here and write console.log and first, then as you can see that it is returning me 1, because we do have a value of 1. If I come over here and write 11, then it will return me 11. If I come over here and write second, then it is returning me true. So in case what I want, basically we have already destructured the first three elements, but we do also have 4, 5 and 6 in our in an array, and what we want to return them as a new array, and we want all those values which were destructured, we want to exclude them. So to do that we can do something like this, triple dot rest, and if I come over here and write rest, then as you can see that it has returned me 4, 5, 6. So this is how you can play with the array destructuring. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.